Hello you guys, and welcome back for another video. So like I promised from my previous video that I was going to do another Valentine's look. So this is the look that we are going to create today. So go ahead and get your brushes, whatever you have with you, and I'm going to be using all my 4 different palettes that I have been wearing from these videos that I've been making. So I'm going to be using the Profushion beauty box, and I'm going to be using my NYX Ultimate Palette and the Mini City palette as well, and we cannot forget the Mochi palette. And I won't be using the Moon Dust from the Urban Decay, so I'm just going to be using these 4 shades to create this look. So I really do hope you enjoy this, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply some primer eyeshadow into my eye. really do hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial that I did with you guys, and please go ahead and subscribe if you're new to my channel and help me reach to 500. And I don't know what I'll actually be doing if I actually reach to 500. You guys can help me reach 1K, which will be awesome. I guess for all of us, that's our main goal, to actually get 1K. So please go ahead and subscribe and watch my video till the end, so that way we can all help each other out. So once again, thanks to all of you who support my channel and are watching my videos and commenting really nice things to me. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.